I'm Ali.
I'm Allie.
I'm Leon.
Hey, I'm Josh.
We are Team Bargains for the NDSU Capstone Project Spring of 2019. Josh will now be explaining what is Bargains.
Bargains is a combination of a deal-saving website and a social media platform. So, for example, if you combine Facebook and Groupon together. Before going into too much detail about the site, Bargains will have 3 different types of users: influencers, businesses, and regular users. Regular users are everyday people who are looking for deals on any form of entertainment. Businesses will use Bargains by offering promotions to users in order to bring more customers to their business. Influencers are regular users but take the next step and post their reviews/videos on Bargains in order to increase their influencer score. The higher the score, the more influence you have with businesses and other users in the area. Now Ali is going to talk more about the epic user stories involved with making Bargains.
User story 1. I want to be able to sign up, create a user profile in order to use the Bargains social platform. User story 2. As user influence, I want to be able to have the ability to upload, use photos and text posts to the activity stream in order to gain influence experience. User story 3. As user or business, I want to be able to invite my friends to use Bargains so that we can share our experience together. User story 4. As user, I want to be able to store deals I see on the app and have them available when I open the app so I can use them at the later time. User story 5. As user business, I want to be able to communicate with the user business to have the opportunity to set up some paid permission to help gain exposure for both parties involved. User story 6. As user influence, I want to be able to build a rank system that serves as indicator of social states which computes for influence. User story 7. As user, I want to get discount at specific business and be able to find these discounts by going to that business page so that I can get the most out of spending my money there.
Originally, we all planned to split the initial 8 stories evenly, but as the work went on, we all helped out where we could so the project got completed. We met with our sponsors every week and did everything we needed for the week at the same meetings for the most part. We mainly relied on GroupMe and class time to communicate otherwise. After most of the first sprint was spent researching it, we decided to use WordPress to implement the new site, and that in itself came with a lot of challenges and opportunity for growth.
So when making your first influencer/user profile, what you're going to do is you're going to visit the Bargain site and you're going to click on the register link. And once you do that, register as an influencer/user profile. And once you do that, you'll fill out the necessary information. You'll click on the activation link that is sent to the email that you provided. And then once you do that, you are able to log into the Bargain site.
Now I'll demonstrate how to register as a business account on Bargains. So from the login page, you click the register link, which will take you to this page, and you select business as an account you'd like to create. And then once you're on this page, and so once you've registered, the admin of Bargains will have to approve your vendor account. Once the admin has approved your vendor registration, you can log into the website using the credentials you provided. And you'll have access to your Bargains dashboard where you can view your business page and add new products.
Hello guys, I'm here to demonstrate user story 2 of how users could upload videos or comments or activity and pictures to show interaction of how a user would do in Bargains. For example, if I type hello and post the update, it would pop up from in your activity stream. You can see how I uploaded pictures and earn points from just doing activities on the website. Besides just sending text message or comments, I could also drop files. At least the maximum amount of file size is 1000 megabyte, which is 1 gig, and then music and videos. I can also go and favorite my post. I could comment on my post and even edit my post, and then I would save it. And once again, if I don't like my comment, I would just delete it or my update. That's what you could do in Bargains. It's an interactive website where users could talk, communicate, post whatever they want, videos, images, and even music. Ollie would now talk about how users could invite friends from other social websites.
I'm in the homepage and users can invite their friends from another platform or the social networks. For example, we have Facebook, Twitter, Google, email. The Facebook now it's work, but we have email and Google, Twitter. The web should be secret, and that will not work now.
So now I will be demonstrating the stored deals function, but we are calling it your bargains cart. So if you go to this businesses tab, you can see a list of all of the businesses that are registered on bargains. As of now, I only have one, but then if you go to this businesses tab again, you can see all of the promos that are available in your area. Once you see these promos, you can add them to your cart. And once that's done, you can view your cart to see all of your stored promos. You can also access this by just going to the bargains cart tab from the drop-down menu.
So when you want to do messaging in bargains, there's a couple different ways that you can do it. The first one is kind of set up as an email sort of thing. So when you want to use the email sort, you can send messages, you can look at your inbox, you can look at important messages, your sent folder, and you can also compose a message. So to compose a message, you just click on the compose, you type in the username of the user you want to message, and then type the subject, and hit the send message when you're done. There's also a secondary form, which is a quick chat feature. So on the lower hand right-hand side of the screen, you can click on the little image with the messages, or you can click on the chat. And once you do that, you can send a message basically as simple as almost sending a text message. So you can click on sending photos, you can send other different files, or you can just send a regular text message and just click the send feature when you're done.
So the user can see the level system in their profile page, and can check their level and available ranks. When they click the available ranks, can say what's the requirement in each level, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Each one has a requirement. And if they click the bar, that show the user can't reach to next level before completed. Also, the users can see who is finished level 1 or 2 or 3 by clicking friends level.
Lastly, I'll be showing you the checkout function that we have implemented. So if I find a promo that I want to buy, I would click on it, add it to my cart, view my bargains cart, and then proceed to checkout. But since we're just in the testing stages, I'm not actually going to purchase this. But once I do, I'll get the ability to download this file, which will give me the coupon code that the business uploaded to redeem for my product that I just purchased.
The project overall was a fun project, and we gained a lot of knowledge and experience of what a startup company goes through and the struggle of developing the product for the sponsors. The team went through a lot of hardship, but with those hardship helped us improve on being a better worker and develop skills we never thought to have before. We hope Mike, Tyson, and Brad will be successful, and we are grateful for them not just being our sponsors, but great mentors on getting ready to go out and work as programmers.